Good morning, word study friends. Welcome to this week's word study test with his word study sort J number 74. Make sure that you turn off your autocorrect, your auto capitalization, your spell check, and your predictive. If you have to pause the video at any time because I'm going too fast or you need time to type in your answers, go ahead and do that. We're going to start with number one. Number one is led. He led us all to the movie. Led. Number two is creek. We all went down to the creek to swim. Creek. Number three is heal. We all need some time to heal. Peace. My pencil with me. Heal. Please. For this week. A great day.